I think this morning the war in Ukraine started. I don't know if these tanks. Netherlands is preparing for the war, I guess. The tank is open. Yeah, pictures time, I think. Take a nice picture here. Hello. Man, I love those pictures. But hopefully it goes down quickly. It's fucking rain. Again. And it's fucking windy. Yep. Another shitty day at the office. Yeah, they are saying another shitty day in Holland. This is how you do creme brulee.
A lot of fire.
Smells good.
Yeah.
So that's how they make dessert in Zwolle.
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 Zwolle. Breakfast. Very well. Brava. Look at that. It's sunny and I'm about to leave Patricia's place. I stayed here 2 nights. The first night she was here and then she went to her family of her boyfriend. But yesterday I was here alone and it was good. I did some video editing and I rested a bit. And now I'm hitting the road. It will be nice to cycle for the first time in the sun in a long time. So the next week should be good all week except one day, and so it'll be fun to have a week of no rain hopefully. But I will also probably not cycle a lot because I will be getting to Amsterdam, so I will spend a few days there, and then I have some friends to visit in around Amsterdam, and I will be spending a few days with them. And hopefully, I will be meeting Luke, the guy that I met in Albania. I don't know if you remember. If not, I will put the link in the description and you can go back and watch these videos of when we met. That is the city center of Zwolle. Stays dry another few days, then I think I can start to do some dirt. You can see there's still water in the fields everywhere.
This way for 400 meters.
This one is doable. Hard dirt. Yeah, here it seems a bit drier. Let's try to do this single track. It's only a few kilometers. 4 or 5 kilometers, I think. Still, see, this is heavy. Quite heavy. First day of sun in the Netherlands. No rain, not even 5 minutes, no hailstones, nothing. Sun all day. Hopefully it's open. It is indeed. It is indeed. We are in Stroe with Daniel and Sharon and Sarah. And they also traveled a long time because Daniel and Sharon, they went from the Netherlands to Thailand. No?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So it was really nice stay here. Thank you so much. It was lovely.
You're
Have a good day.
welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for stay. Thanks for your stay.
Yeah, it was
And,
nice to
and
have you.
she and Sarah loves Nutella.
Oh, bye.
Nice and sunny and warm, relatively warm. Last night was -2, so freezing, but the sun is quite warm this morning, so it's a pleasant temperature. Just outside the village, I'm hitting the forest, but it's fucking paved. Why would you pay the forest? Why? See, the day is warm, but if you notice, there is ice on the water. If I find a stone, no, I can't find a stone. Finally, some dirt. Let's have some fun. This is a really fun single track circuit that there is in this forest. It's really fun. I did half of it. Now I'm back on the original route, but it was really fun. And there are some kids there with their fathers with the mountain bike, and they are really having fun. Break. Now we can enjoy this single track. Very nice. Very fun single tracks. My bags are not very tight, so they will make some noise. And the actual thing shaking that you hear is the vitamin C I bought in Lithuania. It's a box with like almost 300 little balls of vitamin C. It was so cheap. It was probably just sugar. Nice and fun. Is over, I think. I need to turn right here. That's okay. It was fun anyway. Good morning from this trashy lane. Yeah. Today I'm getting to Amsterdam. It's still not raining, but it's predicted pouring rain in about 2 hours. Yeah, what can I do? It's yesterday very sunny and today very rainy. It's just Northern Europe. Let's get to Amsterdam. Look at this. Piaggio Ciao from the 80s. That's basically a precursor of the e-bike. Was with a combustion engine, but it had the pedals, so you could pedal and yeah, for me that's the closest thing to an e-bike. Not a bicycle, but this kind of thing is the closest thing to an e-bike. Because don't forget, an e-bike is a motorbike. It's just that the motor is electric. At least we got to do some dirt before it starts raining. This is the bike lane into Amsterdam through the little forest here. I guess the fun is over. We turn left into the bike lane. From Amsterdam. Yeah, that's the first suburb of Amsterdam, I think. I thought there was a bridge, but there is actually a ferry. And take this, Germany, the ferry is for free.